Problems 105 and 106 here are all about completing the square. So first you take half of this 18, so multiply times 1/2, or divide by 2, same thing. The result is 9. That's how you fill in that box. Now you square the 9. Square the 9. 9 times 9 is 81. And so that's problems 105 and 106 to fill in those two boxes. Now for problem 107, they say a rectangular lot has an area of 750 square meters. Its length is 5 meters longer than its width. Find its length. Well, here's a picture of a rectangle, and has a length and width. The length and a width. The width is, well, the length is 5 meters longer than the width, so the length of the width plus 5 equals the length of the length. So the width plus 5 is the length is 5 meters longer than the width. The area is 750 square meters, so the length times the width is equal to 750 square meters. That's the area. So the area is equal to 750 square meters, length times the width. But the length is the width plus 5, so we can go the width plus 5 times the width is equal to 750. Distributing through the parentheses, the W here, we get W squared plus 5W is equal to 750. And if we subtract 750 from both sides, we get W squared plus 5W minus 750 equals 0. And now we need to try to factor this, or we can complete the square or use the quadratic formula. We have lots of options here. Let's see. Can we factor that? Let's see, 750. How can we factor that so that the difference in the factors is only 5? Well, 750 is equal to 75 times 10. That's 3 times 25 times 2 times 10, 2 times 5. And so that's 2 times 3 times 5 to the 3rd power. So that's the prime factorization. Let's split this up into two factors now, so that let's make 2 of the 5's here. 5 times 5 is 25, and 1 of the 5's is here. And let's put the 2 times the 3 over here too. 5 times 6 is 30. So 30 and 25 seem to be the two factors that we need here. If you prefer, you could just plug these numbers into the quadratic formula. A equals 1, B equals 5, and C equals negative 750. But I've just found that W plus times W minus something equals 0, and the product is 750, and the difference is 5. So these are the numbers. The bigger number goes with the positive, because the middle term is positive, and 25 goes here. So we get two possible solutions to this equation. Either W equals negative 30, or W equals 25. The negative 30 makes no sense because it's negative. So W must equal 25. And if W is 25, it's the length we're looking for. The length is equal to 25 plus 5. So the length is equal to 30 meters. Whoops. 30 meters.